How to move emails from spam to inbox. Hey everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily move your emails from your spam folder to your inbox. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. So the very first thing you need to do is open up your web browser of your choice and then simply head over to your Gmail. And once you log into your Gmail, you will land on your homepage or your inbox page. Now, to access your spam folder, on the left side of your screen, you will see the More option. So click on this drop down, and here you will see the spam emails. Now just tap on it. So, for example, if you have an important email but that has been moved to your spam by mistake, or something has moved it to your spam folder and you want to bring it back to your inbox, then this is how you do it. So the first thing you need to do is choose the email. So for example, if I choose these two emails right here, you can just go ahead and click on not spam, or just right click on these emails and then you can click on move to, and from here you can move to any folder that you'd like. So you can mark them as not spam from here as well. So I'm just going to click right here. Now these two conversation has been unmarked as spam and moved to inbox. So if I head over to my inbox, so as you can see here, these has been moved to my inbox. So let me do it one more time. I'm just going to move to spam, and I'm just going to move this as not spam. Head over to inbox, and now you can just find this email right here on your inbox. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.